Hey guys, I'm Olivia and you're watching my channel LivsCrafts. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this Braille bracelet. Basically, I am spelling the word mom in Braille, so I tried. The pattern will be up on the screen multiple times throughout the video for what I used. And if you guys need to bead your bracelets any different, then please do. If I did it wrong, then I hope you can fix it. Like I said, I will have the patterns on the screen. But I've been feeling a little bit guilty recently because I've been feeling like I've been needing to make my mom something from the heart that came from me and not store-bought, because I feel like I've been doing that for a while. So I decided to do this bracelet and I hope you guys enjoy it. I think my mom will enjoy it. She doesn't know about it yet because it's not Mother's Day yet. Anyway, I hope you guys like this gift idea, and without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is bead our eye pins with the beads. So I am using 4 different colors of beads. I'm using white to represent the beads that are not filled in the pattern, and then I'm using different colors to fill in the beads that are shaded in the pattern. And then also, before beading, I am adding 4 additional white beads on each side of the bracelet. So here I'm starting with 4 white beads before I start the pattern of the bracelet. I wanted the beads to be a little bit longer of a eye pin, I guess, and I wanted the beads to be a little bit more lengthy on the bracelet, so that's why I'm adding the 4 extra beads. So now I'm starting the pattern here, and then once I finish the pattern part of the bracelet, I add the additional 4 beads at the end too. So this is what the first line looks like, and then after you finish beading, I am taking some pliers and I am just making a loop on the other end. I don't really know how to explain this in words, so just watch the video. So there's the loop. So basically you're going to just do this for the other 2 lines as well. So then again, you're going to start with the 4 additional white beads before you start the pattern, do the pattern, and then you can add the 4 beads at the end and then make the loop. And then basically you're just doing that for all 3 strands for the beads. So for the second line, I have a total of 7 beads, white beads, and then I have the color bead, and then I have 6 beads on the end. So here are all 3 of the beaded sections, and then from there I am just taking some black cording and I am sticking it through the loop on, you're going to do it on both sides. Please note, you do not need as much cording as I used because it makes the bracelet way too big. You could probably use like 2.5 inches of cording on each side to keep the bracelet kind of normal size. But when I trim these ends, I really should have trimmed more than just the ends to make the bracelet smaller. But yeah, so basically you're going to do this on both sides of the beaded sections, and then you're going to do it for all 3 of the beaded sections. So then again, do it for the second beaded section and the third beaded section, and this is what it looks like. So then I'm kind of taking all of the beaded sections and I'm kind of pinching them together so that I can get all of the cord ends together. And of course you can trim the ends, you can cut off however much of the string that you want. I'm just cutting the ends off here to make it look even. Again, I should have cut way more than just trimming the ends. But then I'm taking my clasp and I'm sticking some E6000 glue in there, and I am putting that I'm putting the strings in that clasp, and then from there I'm taking pliers and I'm gently squeezing the sides of the clasp in so that all of the cording stays put. And then of course I'm just doing the same exact process on the other side, taking the cording and trimming the ends so that they're even, putting glue in the clasp, wrapping the clasp around the cord ends, and making sure that all of the cord ends and everything are secure. And then after you do that, this is pretty much what you have so far. The beaded sections might be in the wrong order, but you can always change the order of them to make it correct. And then from this step, you are going to I'm taking small jump rings and I'm attaching one on each side of the bracelet. And then after you attach the small jump rings, I'm attaching 2 large jump rings on the ends of the bracelet that are like connected with the small jump rings. You'll kind of see what I'm doing. And then when you do one of the large jump rings, it doesn't matter what side, but one side is going to be just the plain big jump ring, and then the other side is going to have a big jump ring. And then before you close that jump ring, you're going to add a clasp so that you can close the bracelet together. And then after you have attached the clasps and everything at the end, you are finished with your bracelet. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if the comments are enabled. Again, I have not been able to stay steady with the comments being enabled or disabled. It's just not working. So if the comments are there and you're allowed to comment, make sure to comment what kind of DIYs you would like to see next. And of course, take my poll up here in the corner, and that will also help me to know which kind of DIYs you would like to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you were new to my channel and you want to see more videos from me, I post DIYs and the occasional vlogs every once in a while, so make sure to hit that red subscribe button because I try to make my videos fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.